Imagine making money while you sleep, using just your laptop and tools that cost you nothing. Sounds like a dream? It's not. In today's video, I'll show you how complete beginners are making real money online using free tools, no experience needed. Why this matters: you've seen the hype, is taking over. But instead of being scared, why not use it to your advantage? Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just tired of 9-5 life, you can start today using just free tools. Tip 1. Article writing with ChatGPT. Let's start with the easiest method, writing articles with ChatGPT. Go to Chat, open .com, type in any topic like top 10 ways to save money, and boom, you have a blog post. Now publish it on free platforms like Medium, Vocal Media, or even LinkedIn. These platforms pay you based on how many people read your content. Want more reach? Use Quillbot to paraphrase and create multiple versions. Free tools mentioned: ChatGPT free version, Quillbot free plan, Medium. Tip 2. Faceless YouTube videos. Don't want to show your face? No problem. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. You can use tools like Pictory or CapCut to turn text into videos. Generate a script using ChatGPT, create the video with stock clips, and add voiceovers from ElevenLabs or TTSMaker. Pro tip: focus on niches like money making, motivational stories, or trending news. Free tools: Pictory free trial, CapCut, TTSMaker, ChatGPT.